Absolutely. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat is a highly decorated individual, and by virtue of being the Chief of Defence Staff, he was the country's top serving military officer. He dedicated 43 years of his life to the Indian Army and then to the office of the Chief of Defence Staff. He embodied to his admirers, grit, determination and diligence. General Bipin Rawat was also among India's tallest defence chiefs. He was appointed as India's first Chief of Defence Staff in 2019, a post to create better coordination between the Army, Navy and Air Force and to plan better for India's future conflicts. His death comes as an enormous, an unspeakable blow to the armed forces and to India. Here's a look at General Bipin Rawat's illustrious career.
Vast experience in high-altitude warfare. An expert in counter-insurgency operations. He dedicated 43 years of his life to his motherland. General Bipin Rawat was among India's tallest defence chiefs. An alumnus of the National Defence Academy and the Indian Military Academy, General Rawat was commissioned into the 5th Battalion of 11 Gorkha Rifles of the Indian Army in December 1978. But General Rawat learnt his first lessons in defending his country much earlier, from none other than his father, Lieutenant General Lakshman Singh Rawat, who had served in the same unit, 11 Gorkha Rifles. During the 4-decade-long service, General Bipin Rawat held multiple positions. General Rawat was also part of a United Nations peacekeeping force. General Rawat was the 4th officer from the Gorkha Rifles to become the Chief of Army Staff on 31st December 2016. His tenure saw the Indian Army launch surgical strikes on terror launch pads deep inside Pakistan-occupied Kashmir in retaliation to the attack on Uri camp.
These surgical strikes were a message that we had communicated, and that if required and if the adversary does not behave, then if we have to continue with these kind of activities and events, we will continue. But there are other ways of doing these things also. It did not take the same form.
3 years later, in 2019, General Bipin Rawat was appointed as India's first Chief of Defence Staff. The post, which was recommended after the Kargil War for better coordination between the Army, Navy and Air Force.
तीनों सर्विसेज जो हैं, उसका 1+1+1 का जो जोड़ आता है, उसको 3 नहीं बनाना है, उसको 5 या 7 बनाना है. तो you have to achieve more through synergy and integration. ये मकसद है जो CDS को जिस तरह से टास्क दिया गया है.
During his service, General Rawat has been decorated with multiple medals for his grit and valor. It included the Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Uttam Yudh Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal and Sena Medal. General Bipin Rawat's death comes as a huge blow to India and the armed forces.